Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about SOUN stock and the key price levels to watch on December 26, 2025. In the previous trading session, the stock formed a doji candle. The first key support level is $10.55. If the price breaks below $10.55, it could move down to test the next support around $9.05. The key resistance level is $11.56. If the price breaks and holds above $11.56, it could move higher and test $12.27. That's my technical view on SOUN stock. If you found this update helpful, please subscribe for more stock market updates. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.